Y'all, tell me that you have seen the news articles about this potential love child that Jay-Z has had since the 90s. According to Rymir, he says that Jay-Z has been avoiding taking a paternity test for over 10 years and he's now taking it to the Supreme Court. Let's fucking talk about it. In the lawsuit, Rymir alleges that when his mom was 16 years old, she was having a sexual relationship with Jay-Z, who was at the time 22. Mind you, this was 4 years before his debut album. By the time Rymir was born in 93, she no longer spoke to Jay-Z. She instead was back together with her high school boyfriend, so she decided to put him on the birth certificate instead. Hold on, y'all, because it gets real messy from here going forward. First time he sues Jay-Z is in 2010. A Pennsylvania court orders genetic testing for the high school boyfriend, Jay-Z, and Rymir in this case. The high school boyfriend, Robert, ends up taking the DNA test. Rymir does too. Turns out that's not his dad. So the only person left is Jay-Z, and what does he do? He avoids it. They never hear back. The case gets dismissed. In 2012, he sues Jay-Z again. However, this time he does it in the state of New Jersey. Jay-Z's attorneys fight to get the case dismissed. They say he has no ties to the state of New Jersey. He doesn't own any homes. He doesn't have any businesses here. A judge dismisses the case. Rymir and his attorneys immediately appeal, and then they bring back deed documents, tax records that show that Jay-Z does in fact have ties to the state of New Jersey via homes, via businesses. Jay-Z's attorney says that she initially misspoke when she said he had no ties to New Jersey because she really did believe that he only lived in New York City. However, Jay-Z's attorneys then presented to the court the argument that there was no proof that Sean Carter in the tax documents and in the deeds was Jay-Z. How could they prove that it wasn't just some guy with the same name that owned homes in New Jersey? Absolutely insane how the legal system works, but they dismissed the case. Now the NAACP and the ACLU are fighting on behalf of Rymir. And in 2016, before her death, his mother, Wanda, actually publicly came out and made a statement that she supports him and that she actually does agree with the allegations that Jay-Z is his father. Rymir claims that he's not looking for anything from Jay-Z. He doesn't want money. He doesn't want anything. He just wants acknowledgement. And honestly, I can't even really blame him. Rymir then sues Jay-Z again in 2014, and they again dismiss the case on the same basis that they can't prove that Jay-Z is the guy on the tax documents. The judge then seals it, which means the public can no longer access it or ask for court records on the case. So now Rymir is taking it to the New Jersey Supreme Court. He's asking for it to be unsealed all the way back to 2012. In his motion, he states that Jay-Z has been avoiding taking a paternity test and that it could all be resolved if he just agreed. I don't disagree with him. Who would avoid taking a paternity test for over 10 years? Y'all, what do we think? Maybe I'm just messy, but I think the resemblance is uncanny, especially the lips and like the Cupid's bow. I'm dying to know what y'all think. If you love to talk about pop culture, follow along because I have way more to share.